People are all different, and this is what makes us human. We are of completely different genetic makeup, and that is the ultimate reason why there will never be a replica of ourselves. We may all look similar to each other or have similar personalities, but even the smallest difference is enough to differentiate us from the rest. While our genetic makeup may alter ourselves in ways that is out of our control, there are other factors that contribute to it that make us unique. A singleton, which is a fetus that develops in the womb alone, will obviously have its unique set of DNA material that will never be shared with anyone else. However, in the case of identical twins, the zygote splits into two embryos, which means they will share the same DNA material. With identical twins, there are underlying elements other than purely genetics that regulate the differences the two display. While two babies may have the same DNA coding, the developmental process in both the womb and after birth influences how the genes are expressed. Even the slightest difference in surroundings, exposures, or nutrient imbalance can affect how the gene in mind develops. For example, identical twins could have the same genes for height, but if one twin does not receive the same nutrients while in the womb, the remaining twin may be shorter than the other. Since some identical twins share a placenta, one twin could have had a more advantageous connection to the placenta, hence receiving the first run of nutrients. This could suggest why roughly 30% of all twin births result in unequal sizes of babies. You can clearly see this in the Sprouse twins, who are identical. Though identical, the height difference is a big giveaway to their identity. Other than genetic makeup, twins also display unique personalities as well. Whether it be the way they dress or the way they walk, there will always be underlying aspects of their persona that will differentiate the two from each other. Take the Olsen twins, for instance.
I am the cute one. It's obvious. There's no comparing the two of us. I'm not spring, the facts are plain. I've got the looks, I've got the brains, and I am the cute one. She's just my sister.
Although they are fraternal twins, many mistook them for being identical twins. The way people could tell them apart was by observing how they represented themselves. Both Mary-Kate and Ashley had a unique way of representing their identity. One way you could tell them apart was by looking at their fashion sense. Ashley opts for simple and feminine ensembles, while Mary-Kate piles on accessories and tends to wear darker and brighter colors. If they were to dress the same one day though, one can distinguish the two by looking at their handedness. Mary-Kate is left-handed and Ashley is right-handed. These small but significant details of a person's character can make a huge difference when talking about an individual's degree of uniqueness. We choose to author ourselves in different ways, whether it being intentional or not, and that is what makes us so different from the rest. However, although our genetic makeup may play an important role in our individuality, it alone does not define us. With the unique genetic combinations we receive from our parents in addition to the different nurturing environments we are exposed to, we ultimately develop a persona that is unique to only us. The way we choose to represent our identities is what conclusively defines who we are.
I am special! No one else has got my style. No one else has got my heart. No one else has got my smile. And you are all so special. You have been special all the while. You